Not too many people at the beach today. Taco Tuesday coming in though. This little doggy like, hey! Good boy. Good boy for Daddy, yeah? There's a few people, but most, not very many people. Pretty slow day today. Still a couple people out. I haven't seen Primo yet. Taco Tuesday. It's nice and beautiful, warm. The ocean is looking super beautiful green. Green, blue. Blue, green. Try to make it back down here in an hour or so. Coronavirus is in effect. She ain't catching nothing with that thing. Can't even catch some sun rays. It's so covered up you can't catch any sun. Why you come to the beach if you're gonna give that much cover? Ain't gonna catch nothing, no cold, no viruses. No viruses. They say viruses is coming back, but I don't know. I haven't seen anything. Got a little bit of diarrhea from the carne asada I made last night. You can't be leaving it out in the refrigerator too long. I think I left it too long in the refrigerator, then I froze it, then I unfroze it, then we cooked it. Ay, yippee-yo, yippee-yay. All you gotta do is just buy it, cook it. I think that's the best way. Buy it and cook it fresh right there. Because, otherwise, you get a little bit of diarrhea. Rigorisa. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. I don't know, maybe that was the hot sauce. Blu42 wanted to eat some more horse poo, so he can't do nothing. Come on. Cut that shit out. Don't tell me no.